In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho projects and Monday. To begin, open Zoho projects in your web browser and make sure you are on the home or dashboard area for your portal. This is the main landing page where you can access settings, apps, and integrations. Starting from the dashboard is helpful because it ensures you are working from the correct account and workspace before you connect anything. Next, look to the top area of the Zoho projects interface and click the highlighted menu option. This is the entry point that takes you into the admin and setup area where integrations are managed. If you do not immediately recognize it, take a moment to scan the header and the right side of the page, since these menus are commonly placed there. Once you are in the setup area, find and click Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho projects lists available extensions and third-party connections, including tools like Monday. This section is designed to help you add new functionality without needing to build anything manually, so it is the correct place to go for an integration. After Marketplace opens, you will see a list of apps and usually a search field near the top. Click into the highlighted search box and type the name of the app you want to connect. In this case, type Monday. Typing in the search field filters the Marketplace results, so you can quickly locate the correct integration, especially if there are many apps available. When the results update, click the highlighted result for the Monday integration. Selecting it opens the integration page where you can review the listing and proceed with the connection process. As a general tip, confirm you are choosing the correct app by checking the app name carefully before moving forward, since similarly named tools can sometimes appear in marketplaces. At this point, you have successfully navigated to the Monday integration inside Zoho projects through the marketplace, which is the key path for starting the integration setup. That covers everything you need to know.